Hey.
Talk to me. You better talk to me. You better talk to me.
Yeah, I think y'all crazy.
I think so too. Well, I know we are. That's okay.
I think y'all crazy.
Now he does like that.
Oh, yeah.
He can kind of stand up and push his legs against the wall.
Oh, good. You remember how to do kids, don't you, Daddy?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Go tell your mama she needs you.
Well, all right, cool little mouth. What do you think about Betsy? She's looking at you now. Before you leave, I want to see that suit on you.
Oh, definitely. Put it on tomorrow.
All right.
Hey, little boy.
I never thought that headgear was getting that when I bought it.
Well,
You told me, I know.
it's a possibility. It's a possibility of people needs to be rolled up.
You want that?
But the sizes are pretty different. Like this is a 6 month, but
Yeah.
some of the other 6 months are pretty baggy. So it's kind of
Iffy.
yeah.
He's too busy watching TV.
Yeah.
Oh, baby. Here, I'll take you. Come on.
She needs to go outside.
Yeah, she gotta go outside. Come on, Fancy. Come on.
Yeah, there's little
Come
Fancy.
on, baby.